Hello guys! So, samahan ninyo ako today on a Monday morning kasi medyo maaga tayo sa school, though we are always early naman dahil the school is just around mga 30 steps tapos darating na sa school. So, medyo maaga tayong pumapasok para na rin hindi mag-cramming and also para ma-relax yung mind muna. So, this is what I usually do when I arrive in my classroom. So, I fix my things. I open my laptop para ma-open na lahat ng applications needed for the checking of attendance and also yung PowerPoint presentation. Tinatry ko kung yung mga videos na na-download ko ay magpe-play dito. So, usually magpe-play naman siya and medyo malakas yung internet connection. So, even though nasa YouTube lang yung i-play mo sa classroom, so, pwede mo siyang ma-play kaagad. Dahil nga, very stable yung internet connection, hindi lamang ng teacher, but also the students. So, they have their own devices and they are also given individual connections sa school, internet, and their devices. But, yun lang para sa mga laptops nila. Wala silang dinadalang phones and they are not allowed to use their cell phones while having their classes. Yung mga laptops lang because the activities here are done through Teams. So, merong mga OneNote like Microsoft Outlook, OneNote, and Teams. Yun yung mga ginagamit dito. So, this is what I do. Inaayos yung mga chairs ng mga bata. Pero ngayon ko lang to ginawa. Usually kasi ay yung mga bata na yung gumagawa niyan. So, yung first period, sila yung mga nagbababa ng mga chairs. And then yung last period naman, in the afternoon, sila naman yung maglalagay ng mga chairs sa ibabaw ng mesa. Para madali na lang sa mga cleaners yung mag-vacuum ng floor every day. So, parang way na rin yan namin para matulungan yung mga cleaners na mas mapadali yung trabaho nila. So, since this is a long video, I would also like to talk about yung mga challenges na nararanasan ko as a beginning teacher dito sa New Zealand. It's not all nice naman. It's not all happy. Meron ding mga realities, the expectations versus realities na nangyayari sa atin as an overseas teacher. Lalo na sa akin na this is my first time to teach outside Philippines. So, ibang-iba talaga. Hindi lang sa country, but mostly sa culture at sa behavior ng mga bata. So, yung mga naririnig nyo na medyo struggling yung mga teachers in terms of behavior, yes, that is somehow true. So, hindi lahat ng estudyante ay mababait. Meron din namang medyo pasaway talaga. Kasi nga, they are also coming from different cultures. So, they were raised differently. Ibang-iba sa nakasanayan natin sa Philippines. So, kung dun sa Philippines, kapag meron kang hindi nagustuhang ginawa ng bata, it's actually very easy for you to say that kasi pareho nga yung language na ginagamit natin. But in this place, iba yung language nila. Iba rin yung paggamit nila ng English. So, medyo meron talagang language barrier. So, that is one problem. And in terms of behavior, sometimes yung mga bata dito they are very outspoken. Kung ano yung na-observe nila sa'yo, sasabihin talaga nila. So, in my case, yung para hindi ka masyadong ma-stress, ang gawin mo lang talaga is to build relationship with them. Kasi, tama nga, yun din yung sinasabi kasi ng aming school principal. Once you're able to understand your student or appreciate and value each one of them, mararamdaman din nila na you are trying your best para makapag-adjust. Kasi alam nila that I came from another country. And somehow, parang effective naman siya. So, nagdrama na tayo dito. Yeah, but as Filipino teachers, we're all fighters. So, kayang-kaya natin yan. So, yun lang muna for today. Thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin. Thank you.